Welcome back. This is Benjamin with Firepitcooking.com, and today we're going to make some Cowboy coffee. So I'm going to cook up some coffee in this pot, old-fashioned pot. There's no percolator, there's no filter, no nothing. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So I got my fire going already. It's hot. I'm going to fill this up about halfway with water. I'm just going to sit down the fire until it starts to boil, and then we'll be back. Okay, welcome back. This is Benjamin from Firepitcooking.com. Our coffee pot has started steaming. That's a good sign that it started boiling. I just want to talk to you a little bit about the shape of this pot. So you see how the pot flares out at the bottom? That's so when you end up pouring the coffee grounds get stuck at the bottom, and inside the spout there's slats that catch the grains. So this is an old design. Our ancestors made coffee like this for many years. So what we're going to do, since it started boiling, is we're going to pour in 1 cup of our favorite coffee. You can use whatever coffee you like or got going around. The bigger the grains though, the better, so that it's easier to get caught in that, in those slots. I'm just going to open this up. Just pour my 1 cup of coffee right down in there. And close it. We want to set our timer for 3 minutes, so I'm just going to start my timer. We don't want to go any longer than that because then the coffee starts to burn. And I actually like drinking coffee like this. I think it tastes better because it doesn't get burnt like when you have coffee in a coffee pot. So we're going to wait for 3 minutes, and then the grounds will bubble and boil in there. That's why I only fill the pot half full, is because when I pour the grounds in, it could overflow. So I fill the coffee half full, and then I dump 1 cup of cold water down the spout after it's done, and that's to make the grains all sink to the bottom, so they have a better chance of getting caught in that flare. So I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes, and then we'll be back. Welcome back to Firepitcooking.com. We're almost done here with our coffee. It's been boiling. We're going to wait for our timer to go off, and then we're going to pull it off the coals. Welcome back. This is Benjamin from Firepitcooking.com, and our timer has gone off, so I'm going to pull this off of the coals real quick. I'm going to pull it off, set it somewhere where it can cool, and I'm going to add my 1 cup of cold water, and I'm just going to add that right down the spout. So what that does is it cools the grains off so they can slowly soak to the bottom, and then when we pour our coffee, they're more apt to get stuck in the bottom here. So I'm going to try to pour this real quick. So that's how you make coffee on the Campfire or the open pit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's no grains floating up in there. It's just coffee. So and I have this tongue that I can't drink very hot stuff, so but it's good. It tastes strong. Doesn't taste that bitter. So if you want to try this, go ahead and try it. Thank you for stopping by Firepitcooking.com. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.